Hi Rees, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week starting from the 29th of March to the 4th of April. This week will be very interesting because again, like I told you in the monthly reading, this is a full moon, first week of full moon week. So let's see how this week goes for you. This is an extended reading, a detailed reading where I include love and career both. All right. Okay. So this week, something will have to end. Some suffering, some bothers, something which you will leave, losing sleep over has to end and get balanced again for you to start something afresh. Is the general idea I'm getting because Let me clarify the Ace of Cups for you, which just came at the beginning because I see something is ending here. Something is really ending here. Yeah. So I think this situation was bound to is bound to go, or this struggle that you're in will have to end this week, and I think you will see the light. You will see the clear picture. What is the right thing to do, and a solid offer. This is a solid offer which you'll get this week, is what I'm getting. Let me clarify the Four of Swords. Yeah, so okay. You had a fight with somebody you were in love with, and but this person, that's okay. I think a little bit of this was not something serious because this person is willing to come to you with love offer. There's still love there, still still the need to come towards you. Let me clarify the Fool. Yeah. So this person has a lot of love for you, is what I feel. If you see the Fool has nine of cups, 6 of cups, and a 4 of pentacles. This person is really holding on to you too tight. This person won't let you go, even if this has been a disagreement or something which is not was not right between you two, some argument. But this person really holds a lot of love for you and is planning to offer you with apology of regret and whatever has to be done right. So let's see what the major arcana card has for you. But yes, I feel the right will be done this week. All this that you've been going through will definitely clear out. The Wheel of Fortune. Yes. So again, like I told you, things will change this week. This week is good when it comes to you know new beginnings, fresh starts, apologies, and forgiveness. So yeah, so it says, universe says there's a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. You've got time, and you have what it takes. So Aries, the great thing about feeling deep, profound, earth-shaking love is that you can start with anyone. Okay, for some of you who don't want to go back to this person, maybe there's somebody new, and this was universe is saying this love can happen with anyone. You've got time, so you don't think that the time was wasted. You still have time. Ever wonder what would make life's fleeting pain and sorrow totally, unquestionably worth it? How about living forever, wildly and love wildly? So yeah, you still have time. For some of you, it's the same person. For some of you, it might be a new person bringing the cup of love. And whosoever this person is, old or new, they've got a lot of love for you, a lot of determination when it comes to winning you, winning your heart. And you have what it takes, Aries. Always follow your heart unless it's been broken, and then you must lead it. Yeah. So I know you are broken heart. I think you should just let your heart lead because it will know the right way. Let us take uh, let us take some more advice from the universe. All right. So It says the more energy and intuition, intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless I am, and free I am. So you need to be. I think you're holding on to this hurt too tightly, which you should let go. When I lean on the faith of the universe and peace becomes real. So universe has been telling you to trust it, trust your heart, trust your intuition when it comes to any situation. The universe works faster when I'm having fun. So yeah, don't let it hold you back. Don't let this hurt and heaviness hold you back. I feel there's a lot of good things coming your way. This week will really turn out to you will really know that there are people who really loved you. You are loved. You are cherished. Is what this is saying. So yeah, you need to be a little. If you're being too rigid about anything, whether you want to let this person go, whether you want to love come to your life, I think you should just let it go. Don't hold. Don't try to control your fate. Don't try to control your life. Is the message I'm getting, and I think things will turn out to be really good when you lose the control, when you let everything flow as it should be. And but I'm very happy because there's a lot of love coming your way. Somebody is holding on to you too tight, and somebody is willing to offer you the cup of love. There's lovers here, and there's Ace of Cups in the beginning, and it ends with Nine of Cups. So ultimately, the situation is bound to turn into something good, something which you're not seeing because probably you're holding on to the hurt too tight. You have to let go of whatever has happened so that new beginnings can occur, maybe in the current relationship or something which is new. So that's all I have for you this week. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and we'll meet next week.